Do you know that the average salary of a sales operation specialist in India is 6.6 lakhs per annum, where the lowest is 3.4 lakhs per annum and the highest is 12.9 lakhs per annum? With these numbers, we can confidently say that sales operation is an exciting field to explore with an expectation of a good salary package. And you know what? Qualified sales operation professionals are in demand as well. And if you are also willing to put your time and efforts into learning sales operations and become a skillful person in this field, you can explore the Sales Operation Professional Certificate program offered by Salesforce and Pathstream via Coursera platform, instructed by Childhead, Angela Prakash, and Anthony Johns. In this course, you will learn to build reports to convey the information about the sales performance to stakeholders and executives, to use the Salesforce Sales Cloud Lightning to manage accounts, products, and contracts, to explain the working of CRM. The skills you will gain are Salesforce, Sales, Sales Operations, Salesforce Lightning, and CRM. This professional certificate course has four courses. The first one is Sales and CRM Overview. This course is the first step in the world of Salesforce. You will learn a lot of advanced tools in the upcoming courses. This course will be a foundation. But if you are familiar with sales and CRM or want to learn deeply about Salesforce, you can skip this one and start the second course. The second one is Lead Management in Salesforce. In this course, you will learn about how to help sales and management teams to optimize the lead management process. You will also learn about the role of sales operation specialist. This course also teaches about the basic concepts of data management, uploading lead data into Salesforce, and team members training. The third one is opportunity management in Salesforce. In this course, you will get a clear idea about the optimization of operation management programs by sales teams, and also you will learn how to help them. This course speaks about the powerful role of a sales operation specialist. It requires a lot of new tools, Salesforce, like products, quotes, price, contracts, and orders. The final one is report success and customer satisfaction in Salesforce. In this course, you will learn deeply to use the Salesforce Service Cloud support for customer service needs. You will also learn about the various basic concepts of customer support and to use the tools in Salesforce Cloud to manage the customer relationship. You have an option to gain a professional certificate from Salesforce after completing the course, which can be shared on your LinkedIn profile, resume, or wherever you want. Now, let's see the four different enrollment options you have for this program. If you just want to learn for free, you can choose the audit option, which you will be able to find in the individual courses page, but you won't be able to get a course completion certificate and you won't be able to submit assignments or get grades for your work with this option. Anyway, you can pay for one at any time during or after the course to get your certificate. Please note that this option will not be visible in the Salesforce Sales Operation Professional Certificate page. The second option is you can simply purchase this Sales Operation Professional Certificate in Coursera, which will give you unlimited access to all the courses included in this professional certificate. And with this option, you can earn a shareable certificate of completion from Salesforce. Note that this option comes with a 14-day refund period and also has EMI payment options. The third one is you can opt for Coursera Plus monthly subscription. This would be the best option if you want to access more than one course in Coursera. Coursera Plus subscription will provide you with unlimited access to 7,000 plus world class courses, hands on projects, and job ready certificate programs from leading universities and companies. So, with this option, you can access not only the Salesforce Sales Operation Professional Certificate but also many courses, projects, specializations, professional certificates that is available in Coursera and earn unlimited certificates. Last but not least, most courses in Coursera offer financial aid or scholarships, but these not be available for certain courses. To receive Coursera financial aid or a scholarship, you have to fill out an application with details about your educational background, professional aspirations, and financial situation, and ensure that you abide by Coursera's code of conduct and honor code. So, these are the different enrollment options. You can opt for the one which suits you the best. Hope this program help you in upgrading your skills and accelerate your career growth. Click on the link in the description and grab the Salesforce Sales Operations Professional Certificate soon.